Birdwatching Brasil está embarcando aqui numa expedição histórica para a Indonésia.
We start early in the morning.
We could spot a lot of beautiful species here. Our camera trap just captured the Javan banded pita. Oh my god.
What?
I think it's the Javan banded pita. Everyone treat us very well. The food is very good.
Our Eco Lodge has been here for 30 years now. I remember when I was younger, the diversity was much lower than what it is today.
Because we are like the people around here, we already stopped the chemical. The ecosystem, it's already work again around here.
We are really close to ancient volcano, which is a volcano that's not been active for a long time.
You know, this is national park icon, more white and blue ice.